Charon Tap Star here at #1 Hoofer, sharing tap love to help you surpass your personal best. All right, you guys, we are here with warm-up number 4 for intermediate tap dancers, okay? Now, you have done a few with me already. If you haven't, go ahead and click that little link, and it'll take you to the playlist, and just search in that playlist for warm-up number 1, 2, 3, 4, and do whichever one you choose to do, okay? All right, here we go. But those who have been here, you already know. Follow along, catch it. You might get thrown off this time because I'm not breaking things down, but the more you do it, and you do need to do this more than once, you will automatically know what's coming next. You will remember and learn these things, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into it. As you already know, we're starting with these. Okay? 1, 2, ready, and. Let's do our slaps. I want you to give me 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, okay? And then the other side. 1, 2, start with this leg. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Singles. Double heel. 3 heels. Single heels. Double heels. Excellent, you guys. Good. Let's warm up our heels and our toes, but let's start with our toes first this time, toe first. 1, 2, here we go. You guys, good. Very, very proud of you. All right, let's see. What else can we mess with? Let's do broken down crimp rolls. Am I being mean? Let's slow that down just a little bit, just in case, all right? So let's have... Let's do the same thing starting with the left foot first, okay? If you were already doing the left, then start with the right. 1, 2, here we go. Straight into paradiddles, all right? Let's do the same thing we just did. Okay, easy. Okay, let's start it. Start with this foot. Give me 4 on this side, and then we'll switch and do 4 starting with the other foot, okay? All right, 1, 2, here we go. 2 slow. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, here we go. Good job, you guys. All right, repeat after me. No, let me see what I'm going to do. Excellent. So we have digs, dig, and then we have hit, hit, and then we have dig again, and then we're going to do taps, okay? 1, 2, this foot first. Good. you guys. Okay, bravo, intermediate tap dancers. You are doing your thing. All right, let's shuffle. Let's do 2 shuffles, 2 triplets. Okay? 2 shuffles, 2 triplets, 2 shuffles, 2 triplets, shuffle, triplet, shuffle, triplet, shuffle, triplet, shuffle, stamp. Okay? Switch to the other side. Hopefully I don't forget because I'm feeling a little poopy headed. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, here we go. Proud of you guys. Good job. All right, let's do paddle and roll now. And that's the one where you start with the heel first, not the dig, okay? Heel first. Okay, come on. Come with me. Put this heel down first. 5, 6, 7, 8. I remember you kill me to stand 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 3, 4. All right, this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and play around with, oh, I should end this soon, but let's do, okay? So, if you were to do a paddle and roll, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Then I want you to give me heel, heel, right? And then this heel is the start of another one. Okay? Come along. Heel, dig, brush, step, heel, heel, ready, in. 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 All right, I want you to do that faster. Come with me. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Excellent. All right. Putting it all together, okay? So no pause. Heel. 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 Oh, I can't sing and do it. Woo, bloopers. Okay, here we go. All together, run it smooth, no pause. Heel, 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 dig, brush, step. Heel, 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 dig, brush, step. Heel, 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 dig, brush, step. 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 All right, you guys. If you can, do it faster with me. But if not, no worries. You should do this warm-up more than once so you can do this sped-up version later. But do not do it fast or messy. Remember, slower, clear, and like so as perfect as it can be is better than faster and messy, all right? Don't forget, you guys. I can't see you, but don't do it. All right, here we go. So let's start with this heel first, and we're going to go at this tempo. guys, all right? And then, let me see, then maybe we can remix it. Just ignore me for a moment. Okay, whoever records that and sends it to me, put it on Instagram and tag #1 Hoofer and Charon Tap Star, and does it right, like perfectly right, I will give you a free private lesson. Not everyone, the first one that does it the best, okay? The first one that does it the best, okay? So I love you guys. Charon Tap Star. So happy to share with you here. Remember, you are the best because you are you. And you will improve as you improve in the perfect timing. So do not compare yourself to anyone else. Do not feel less if someone is better than you. You can journey to be greater as well, okay? So just practice, practice, practice. And I have a whole playlist of videos for you to practice with, okay? So you can surpass your personal best, all right, you guys? I love you so much. Love yourself. Love everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe, okay? And share these videos with your friends so they can have fun tap dancing too, okay? All right, I love you. Like and subscribe. Charon Tap Star out. #1 Hoofers, let's go. Remember, no one starts at #1. You have to work for it. #1 Hoofers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.